Okie dokie, Dave here again. I hope you're well. I just want to let you know that there's on a Friday at 2 p.m. UK time, you'll have to translate that to wherever you are in the world. Wayne does hold a weekly Q&A for you to ask questions. Okay, he's live on screen in the Facebook group, and that starts at 2 p.m. UK time. So I highly recommend you get on there if you've got any issues. There is a support service inside the platform on your page that you can use if you've got any technical or billing issues. All right, so there's plenty of support out there. Allow them 24 hours up to 48 hours, depending on how busy they are. And if you don't get any joy from there, just hit me up and I'll get in contact with Wayne myself, okay? That's not a problem. I'm in constant talking to Wayne all the time. So that won't be a problem. The one thing we want to do is for you to progress without any problems whatsoever. Okay, we want to make it as smooth as we can. So hopefully you are continuing with your training. Look out for that mega funnel training. That is awesome, and I suggest you get that all set up with the TD pages. If you don't know what I'm talking about, then obviously you haven't hit that point yet, but that is a big money maker. Okay, so get that mega funnel set up. You might even be made some offers as you're going through. Now that's totally up to you whether you take them up or not. They are valuable offers and they are one-time offers, okay? They won't be offered to you at that price again. All right, so I just thought I'd let you know about that. So don't forget, Fridays 2 p.m. UK time, Wayne will do a live Q&A. Look out for those webinars. If you're still getting them flashed up on the site, make sure you attend those. And yeah, if you've got any problems, let me know on Facebook and I will sort them out for you. Okay, cheers, bye-bye.